Do you have water where it shouldn't be? Thermal imaging equipment is a necessity to identify where water goes. Because water is cooler in temperature than the material your property is made of, thermal imaging can create a map to help you find exactly where the water has gotten to. Thermal imaging shows bluish hues to show where cooler temperatures exist, and this is how water can be discovered. Just like electricity, water follows the path of least resistance, so without the right equipment, you may be forced to do exploratory deconstruction work in your walls, floors, or ceilings. Not only are you destroying property that may be salvageable, but this technique is much less effective than using a thermal imaging camera. Professional restorers should always use thermal imaging, otherwise water pockets could be missed in the drying process and cause major issues in the future. Thermal imaging is a key tool in our flood fix plan at Flood and Fire Solutions. We save homes.